First question of exercise 4e of rational number, we have to multiply the given two rational numbers. Here I have taken fifth number question, minus 12 by 5 by 10 by minus 3. So I will convert it into by putting the multiply sign, minus 12 by 5. I will replace by multiply, 10 by minus 3. So in multiplication of rational number, you have seen that students, we will multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So minus 12 into 10 divided by 5 into minus 3. So what is the answer of numerator? Minus 12 into 10 minus 120 upon 5 into minus 3 minus 15. When you cut both the minus sign, when there is a minus sign in the numerator and denominator, it will be eliminated. Now you can divide 120 by 15 also. So 15 ones are 15 and 15 eights are, right? So the answer is 15 eights are means 8 is the answer. Here in question number 2, we have to simplify. So first we will multiply. Here minus 32 into minus 7 by 36. So we will multiply the numerator, minus 32 into minus 7 upon 1 into 36. Now check that by which number we can divide the denominator number and numerator number. So here we can see that 36 and 32 are the multiple of 4. So I can divide by 4. 4 how many is a 36? 9s are, and here 4 8s are, but there is a minus sign. Now minus 8 into minus 7 upon 9. Now both are minus numerator, so we can multiply them. 7 8s are 56 upon 9. After that there is a final answer, 56 by 9. So in this way you can do any problem of question number 2 because it is same as it is as a question number 1. Now let's see question number 4. Here is also we have to simplify. There are two brackets of multiplication. From first bracket, after doing the multiplication we got the product and we will subtract the product of second bracket. So first we will try to solve the first bracket. Now again we will simplify the numbers. How we can do that? So first we will multiply numerator to numerator, minus 12 into minus 14 upon 7 into 27. There is also same minus 8 into 9, 45 into 16. Now what we will do? So we will see who is multiple of which number. So 14 is the multiple of 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 2s are 14. Now again see 12 and 27. Yes, they are also multiple of 3. 3 9s are 27 and 3 4s are 12, but it is minus because 12 was minus. Second bracket, 45 is the multiple of 9. So 9 ones are 9. 9 5s are 45. And 16 is the multiple of 8. So minus 1 into 2, right? Now we will write only minus 4 into minus 2 upon 9, minus 1 into 1 upon 5 into 2. Now minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8 by 9 minus 1 into minus 1, minus 1, and 5 2s are 10. Now see, here is a subtraction, so we will add the additive inverse of this number, minus 1 by 10. So it would be 1 by 10. Then you can take the LCM 90 and try to make 90 at the denominator of the first rational number. So by which number we will multiply to 9 and 8? So I will multiply by 10. here by 9. So 8 into 10 plus 1 into 9. 80 plus 9 upon 90. So it would be 80 plus 9, 89 upon 90. In this way you can solve the question number 4 also. Now in question number 5, we have to find the cost of 3 and 1 by 3 meters of cloth at rupees 40 and half per meter. Means length of 1 meter cloth, price of 1 meter cloth is 40 rupees, 40 and half rupees, and total length is 3 and 3 1 by 3. So first we will convert, right? So length, total length is equal to 3 1 by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 by 3. You know very well how to convert mixed to improper. After that, cost per meter, forty 1 by 2, 42 is 80, 80 plus 1, 81 by 2. Now it is in rupees and it is in meter. Now to get the price of 10 by 3 meter cloth, so we have to multiply by 1 meter, cost of 1 meter, right, to the total length. So the cost is equal to 10 by 3 into 81 by 2. Now we can simplify by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 7s are. So 5 into 27. So 5 into 27 multiply 5, 3, 1. So the total cost is rupees 135 of 3 and 1 by 3 meters. So by referring this question number 5, you can able to solve the question number 6 also. So just try to solve, otherwise I will explain that. Now our next topic of reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. So we will try to understand by taking the question of 4th step exercise, question number 1, 6. We have to find the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 5. So here we can find the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal by inversing this given rational number. So it would be minus 5 by minus 3. Don't change the sign, only shift the denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator. In this way you can able to solve this remaining question also. What is the multiplicative inverse of 7th problem? 0. So multiplicative inverse of 0 is 0. So there are very simple problem, just try as a homework. Now we will solve question number 2, 6th problem. In this we have to do the division. So for division you should know the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. So we have to take the second rational numbers multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. Hence I will write minus 65 upon 14 as it is. Then this division sign will convert it to multiplication and write multiplicative inverse of 13 upon minus 7. So it would be minus 7 upon 13. Now students, we will do the same steps of simplification. We will make the each rational number into lowest form. So just see which one is the multiple of 13. So 7 is not, 65 is multiple. So 13 ones are 13, 13 5s are, so minus 5. Now 14 is the multiple of 7. So minus 1, 7 ones are 7, 7 2s are 14. After that minus 5 into minus 1 upon 2 into 1. Now minus 5 into minus 1 plus 5, 2 in the 2. So the answer is 5 by 2. So only thing we have to keep in mind, you have to change this division sign to multiplication and take the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of second rational number and you will get the correct answer. Just try the problem. Now we are going to start the question number 3, fourth problem, filling the blanks. Suppose this blank have something, another rational number, but we don't know now. So we will take x in the place of that. So I will write again minus 12 divided by x equal to minus 6 by 5. Now students, we will do this division by the rule of division, minus 12, and we will convert this division sign to multiplication and we will take the multiplicative inverse or inverse of x. So what is the reciprocal of this x? Yes, 1 by x, and this as it is minus 6 by 5. Now we will shift this, we will first do the product of numerator. So that would be minus 12 into minus 1, that is minus 12 by x equal to minus 6 by 5. Now we will shift this x toward that side. So it becomes denominator 2, it goes denominator to numerator. So x and whole this rational number toward left hand side. So minus 12 into, when we are shifting the rational number on either side and there is a multiplication, so I will take reciprocal of that, that is minus 5 by 6. Now we will multiply numerator to numerator. 12 5s are minus 60 and minus 6. So minus minus eliminated, 6 10s are. So the x is equal to 10. In this way, you can also solve the question number 3 problem as a homework, right?